Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Indian Railways makes major strides in track modernization and safety. Indian Railways has recorded significant progress in strengthening its track infrastructure and enhancing safety standards through sustained investment and focused execution over the last 11 years. These efforts have contributed to safer, faster, and more reliable train operations across the country. During the financial year 2024-25, Indian Railways carried out track renewal over 6,851 track kilometers. In the current financial year 2025-26, more than 7,500 track kilometers of track renewal work is underway. Further, track renewal covering 7,900 track kilometers is planned for 2026-27, reflecting continued emphasis on asset reliability and safety. Substantial progress has also been made in turnout renewal, which is crucial for smooth train movement. In 2024-25, 7,161 thick web switches and 1,704 weldable CMS crossings were provided. In 2025-26, over 8,000 thick web switches and more than 3,000 weldable CMS crossings are being provided. Mechanized deep screening of ballast, essential for maintaining track stability and improving ride quality, has been carried out consistently. During 2024-25, 7,442 track kilometers of deep screening was completed, while over 7,500 track kilometers of deep screening work is being undertaken in 2025-26. To support mechanized maintenance and improve productivity, Indian Railways has significantly expanded its track machine fleet. More than 1,100 track machines have been procured since 2014, enabling faster and more efficient maintenance of the railway network. Safety fencing along railway tracks has been taken up on priority to minimize cattle run over incidents and trespassing, thereby enhancing overall safety. About 15,000 kilometers of fencing have been provided so far, leading to improved safety and sections where trains operate at speeds exceeding 110 kilometers per hour. As a result of these sustained efforts, Indian Railways has achieved remarkable progress in upgrading tracks. The length of track permitting speeds of 110 km per hour and above has increased from 31,445 kilometers, about 40% of the network in 2014, to 84,244 kilometers, about 80% of the network at present, enabling faster and more efficient train operations. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.